So the installation manuals, it tells you how to put the mast together, and I showed you in the video how that really wasn't very clear. You can see how light the printing is on this and everything else. But one of the things is, it says right here, rod lift cable. Yeah, rod lift cable. Now, I looked all over the place for anything. I wasn't sure what it was, because in the picture they draw a line across it, so you can't really see it. Well, I looked at somebody else's video online, and I can't remember exactly who it was. I'd like to give them credit for it, but I went through the bag that comes with the handle and everything else in it after I saw his video, and managed to find the parts that I saw on his video. And in that bag, you're going to find this threaded rod and this nut with a hole in it, in this end and in the side right here. Now when you put them together, it's going to look like this. Okay, now that's not all of it. In bag 10 right here, you see that there's some hex fasteners with a hex nut on the end of it. Oops, stop it rolling. Get that out of the bag. Mine's in bag 10. They probably changed the number by now, but okay, so that goes in this hole right here. But you see the collar on that? That collar fits the lift cable right in there, right like that. Or shall I put it up like this and show you how this goes right on this lift cable and fits like this. Now there's another bag, and it contains the washers, the nuts, the bolts, and the, put them down here. There's regular nuts in here, which when you put it together, you're going to have lock nuts. I mean, you're going to have a nylon nut lock nut on the I believe the top, but on the bottom you're going to have double nuts, you know, to lock them together for the adjustment of this cable. And I'm going to put these and put this other one together, because this thread is not really the easiest thing to put down in there, because all they did is just get all thread and cut it off, so it's burred at the end. So I'm going to put that together, and then I'll show you the installation on the mast itself. Okay, I'm back. I assembled the cables and this piece together, and you see, I'm going to try to hold everything for this video. With this bolt here, I put one of the washers behind that, the flat washer, and then there's two just plain nuts on there that you can use as a locking nut when you get adjusted. But that's how it goes together. The cable goes down, and then it comes up in through, there's a hole right here by where the crossbar goes together on the upper side. And I'm going to slide, they had extras in there, so I figured might as well use them. Slide a washer on that end. Get my finger down here. Figure out where my finger's going. And where is it? There it is. And it sticks out the top. And there's a threaded, a nylon insert nut that goes on the top, so it doesn't vibrate loose. And that goes on both sides, same assembly. Goes like this, through the hole, up through that part, washer, and then, this is tight, lock nut. Now those will tighten down for the adjustments and stuff, but this is the cable. It goes down, it goes on this turn rod right here. It connects to your handle, but that's where it's at, is on the machine. So if in your manual you can't figure it out, this is what it's supposed to look like. It's not just one bolt. It's an assembly of different parts. And once you see it, you know, you'll be able to find it. That's it for this video. Check back in on the next.